Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today Sampel 20 is proud to present fried corvina, which is a delicious fish very popular in Panama. So let's begin. We're going to start off by making our delicious chimol as a side dish. So let's begin. So for our delicious chimol, we're going to dice up 4 tomatoes, 1 handful of cilantro, 1 big onion, and 3 to 4 medium-sized radishes. We're going to add this to a bowl, and now we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, the juice of 2 lemons or limes, and a dash of hot sauce. We are going to mix this all together, and then we're going to place it in the refrigerator so that all the delicious juices can marinate and sit for a while. Now that we're done with that, our part 2 is our delicious puré de plátano. So for our puré, we're going to peel 2 green plantains and then we're going to chop them into 4s. We're going to place them in a pot that has sufficient water to completely submerge them, and we're going to boil them until tender. So this is roughly 20 minutes. Once our plantains are nice and tender, we're going to strain all that water from the pot. Now into the pot, we're going to dice the following and add them: 1 medium onion, 1 handful of cilantro, 3 garlic cloves. We're also going to add 1 spoonful of butter, 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of both salt and black pepper. We are now going to take our masher and we're going to start mashing everything up just the same as if we were making mashed potatoes. Once it's nice and creamy and with the consistency that we like, we're going to set it aside. And finally, our part 3, our delicious fried corvina. So in a bowl, I have about 8 corvina fillets, to which I'm going to season with 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of cilantro flakes. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I am then going to continue by adding half a cup of water, and I'm going to mix everything well, making sure that all my fillets are nicely coated. I'm then going to allow my fish to marinate for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to beat 2 eggs in a bowl, and then I'm going to dip my fillets one at a time, coating everything. Next, I'm going to coat my fillets with the breadcrumbs that I have laid on a plate, making sure that they are completely covered. Now while I'm preparing the fillets, I've already turned on the stove to a medium-high heat, and I've added a good amount of oil to the pan. Now I'm going to allow the oil to heat up for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add my fillets in one by one. I'm going to fry my fish until golden brown, which is roughly about 3 minutes on each side. And voila, we have our delicious fried corvina with our creamy mashed plantain and our tangy chimol. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at Sampel 20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye bye!